Cold weather always throws my body off. When I feel sluggish and my digestion slows, this ginger turmeric shot is how I reset. I don't take this every single day, but when the weather gets cold, my body feels heavier and digestion slows. This is something I genuinely go back to whenever my body feels off, especially during cold seasons. The base of this shot is fresh ginger and turmeric. Ginger supports digestion and helps to keep the body warm, while turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. I also add lemon and orange, which are packed with vitamin C. Black pepper to activate the turmeric, and a little raw honey to balance the taste. I wash everything really well and add it straight into my juicer. I don't peel the ginger or turmeric, I just make sure they are cleaned thoroughly. Once it's done, I add the black pepper and honey just as needed. After adding black pepper and honey, I transfer the shot into small containers. This helps with portion control and keeps it fresh in the fridge. I don't throw away the pulp, I just freeze it, and whenever I need a ginger turmeric tea, I just scoop some into hot water. It's simple, comforting, and nothing goes to waste. If you're feeling heavy, run down, or just need something grounding during cold seasons, this shot might help. Listen to your body, keep things simple, and take care of yourself. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe, and let me know how you will try this.